Hi, my name is Jacob Bakowski with Team 14, Senior Design Green Crusaders, and I'd like to show you how far we've got on our senior design so far. As you can see here, this is how much we have done of our prototype so far. We've installed shelving to allow for display case. This is steel shelving. It allows for 1,000 pounds per square inch of loading per shelf with just the steel grate. We added wood and in order to mount pieces to the senior design. Now there are several works in progress here. You can see this is the cup turbine design. The shaft, this aluminum shaft right here, is going to be bored and cut in order for this turbine to be fit in place. In addition, the wind turbine was developed and modeled. Unfortunately, it broke during putting it together. However, a new one will be done by at least Tuesday, and this one may be able to be fixed as a dummy one just in case. This is the alternator. It's hooked up with the proper shaft collar in order to be placed on this shelf, which is next to which has a heatsink rectifier behind to allow the three-phase alternator to be hooked up to a voltmeter or any other apparatus that we need. But we're going to test with a voltmeter and compare it to a chart with current to find the total power out. This is a steel frame with hex nuts and a piece of wood underneath in order to brace it better to prevent a bending moment from the heavy alternator, being attached by hose clamp here, and we've tested it's already very securely held in place. Here you can see this is the wind lens development. It's made of a very bendable piece of plastic we got from Everything Plastics on 2nd Street, North Philadelphia. And it was made by cutting a circle out in the plastic and cutting a line through it and then bending the plastic into a cone shape. And the rest of these triangle pieces were fitted to allow the diffuser to be closed in on its walls. Here you can see the pressure regulator and air tank are attached, as well as a safety valve in order to regulate the amount of air that's going to be delivered through the system. It's going to be tested with an air compressor, which we are going to buy next week. It's in the queue, as well as the check valve, which is implemented here. The system is held up by